Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets imagination and every home tells a story of art, design, and passion. Today, we open the doors to one of the most breathtaking estates in all of California, a modern French chateau at 101 Bella Vista Drive in the prestigious community of Hillsborough. Valued at an impressive $14,888,000, this architectural masterpiece combines timeless European grace with the spirit of modern California living. As the camera glides over the tree-lined private drive, sunlight shimmers on stone walls and manicured gardens, setting the stage for a home that defines elegance. Built in 2017 and set upon a 8.63-acre lot, the residence spans more than 6,600 square feet of refined craftsmanship. From the moment the gates open, you sense the harmony of privacy, serenity, and grandeur that only a property of this caliber can offer. Step through the majestic arched doors and feel the grandeur unfold. A soaring three-story foyer greets you with a cascading chandelier and wide plank wood floors that stretch through arched passageways into the heart of the home. Natural light pours through tall French windows, washing the interior in a golden glow and highlighting every detail, from ornate iron railings to the gentle curves of hand-finished moldings. Each corner whispers quality and thoughtfulness. The great room invites you to pause and breathe. Its towering ceilings and graceful fireplace create a sanctuary of warmth and sophistication. Through the French doors, a glimpse of lush greenery and garden views reminds you that luxury and nature can coexist beautifully. The open layout flows seamlessly into the gourmet kitchen, a masterpiece of both design and functionality. Marble countertops gleam beneath elegant pendant lights, custom cabinetry lines the walls, and professional-grade appliances stand ready for culinary creativity. Here, the heart of the home beats with family breakfasts and evening conversations. Adjacent to the kitchen, the formal dining area offers a graceful space for gatherings, a room where laughter, candlelight, and fine cuisine become lifelong memories. Every surface reflects perfection, from the subtle gold accents to the polished fixtures that add just the right amount of sparkle. This estate features 5 luxurious bedrooms and 6 beautifully appointed bathrooms, each conceived as a personal retreat. The primary suite captures tranquility with its soft palette, expansive proportions, and sunlight filtering through floor-to-ceiling windows. In the ensuite bath, marble floors and gleaming gold hardware frame a sculptural soaking tub that invites you to unwind in complete serenity. Step onto the private terrace and take in the peaceful rhythm of the surrounding landscape, a reminder that even in the heart of Silicon Valley, moments of calm are never far away. Beyond the main living quarters, this home offers limitless possibilities for entertainment and creativity. A spacious lower level can transform into a private cinema, a recording studio, a personal gym, or an elegant wine cellar. Every space has been imagined to adapt to the needs of a dynamic, modern lifestyle. The craftsmanship is exceptional, but what truly defines the home is how it feels: open, welcoming, and alive. For those who appreciate the artistry of automobiles, the garage is a dream in itself. Polished concrete floors, subtle lighting, and ample room for a collection of world-class cars. Outside, manicured gardens encircle the property, providing both privacy and picturesque beauty. At twilight, the chateau glows like a jewel, its stone facade illuminated by soft golden light, reflecting perfectly in the tranquil pool that mirrors the evening sky. It's a vision straight from a cinematic dream, where every angle captures luxury at its purest form. This magnificent property is presented by Gina Haggarty and Jenny Haggarty of Compass Real Estate, 2 of California's most trusted and respected luxury agents. Their dedication to excellence and unmatched market knowledge continue to connect discerning buyers with extraordinary homes. We also extend heartfelt gratitude to the talented videographer whose artistry allows us to share this breathtaking residence with viewers around the world. Here at American Dream Mansions, our mission is simple: to showcase the world's most inspiring homes, from architectural icons to hidden gems of design and comfort. If this modern French chateau has captured your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another tour of America's finest luxury estates. Visit us online or follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes looks, design inspirations, and stories that celebrate the dream of home. Because in every stone, every light, and every view, there is a vision, the vision of the American Dream Mansion.